Hello friends, today's video is all about some cool and exciting mods of Mayo Trainer. So to install Mayo Trainer in your game, you can check my video whose link is in the description. So the first cool mod in the Mayo Trainer is the the Magneto mod. For this you have to press F8 twice, then go to weapon options, then go to Magneto mode and toggle it green. So now you have just to aim and you can see all the metallic objects get attracted towards your aim pointer, and then you can press left click and it will shoot all the objects. Now let's go for the second one, which is the vehicle gun mod, and it is my personal favorite. I think the developers got fed up with shooting the bullets from the gun, so decided to let's shoot vehicles and objects from the gun. It's really a funny mod. Let's try it. So for this you have to go to weapon option, then in the last of the list you can find the vehicle and object gun mod. Then you have to toggle it green and finally choose the object that you want to shoot. So I have chosen a Bugatti. So look, my gun is firing cars, not bullets. And I think with this gun I can beat the 5-star level also. No one can touch me. I can just shoot at through everyone. It's awesome. How creative the developer was. Really impressive. So now the next two mods are sci-fi type mods. So hope you enjoy. The third mod is Metroid Sour mod. So for this you have to go to menu mod. You have to first open it. Then you have to go to the miscellaneous option. Then you have to search for the Metroid Sour mod. Then click it and you can finally see this. This is a nice mod with sci-fi, but the comical thing is that the rocks are looking like cartoons. They are not so real, but you can't expect much from just a game. It's really cool. If you want to feel a sci-fi film scene, you can use this mod. So now let's move towards our fourth mod, which is Massacre mod, and it is also a sci-fi mod. You will feel just like a sci-fi movie, as if everything is destroying. So you can see, for this you have to activate menu mod, then you have to go to miscellaneous option, then you have to search Massacre mod, and you have to toggle it green, and you can see here everything is flying, explosions everywhere, just like a sci-fi movie. And stay safe from those moving objects, they may hit you and it. Oh shit, it finally hit me. Let's move to our fifth mod, the animal riding mod. For this, open menu trainer, then go to miscellaneous, then click animal riding mod and toggle it green. Then you can see deer, lion and cow options. Then go to the deer and you can sit on the deer. By pressing shift you can make it run. It is bunny. You can move on a deer or a lion or a cow between the roads and the trains. So now let's sit on mountain lion. You can see how you can see the peoples are running from the lion. So hope you enjoy the video, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.
what's back these days. Watch yourself!